Ayan guys, pupunta tayo doon sa pupuntahan natin yung nakikita ko guys. Kung nakikita ninyo yan, mga white na yan, lahat ng yan ay mga ibon. Tinatawag namin yan na kanaway dyan sa Northern Luzon, which is yan ang ibong balintatawak. Okay, so lapitan natin ng konti, tignan natin kung anong ginagawa nila sa pinapadry na fish pan, dahil paglilipatan yan ng mga adults ng mga bangus, which is bakit siya dinadry, gawa ng pinapatubo siya ng lumot para may pagkain ng bangus later on. Yan. I just want to share with you guys the experience that I had right now here in Iloilo. At trabaho lang to guys, walang personalan na. Yan sila guys, they are just observing if I am coming through with that place. And look at that birds, they are just watching me, they are not doing anything. They're going to fly and fly away. Yee! And oh, they just like that. You just like that. Oops, I have seen something here. Look at that. Ano yan? Ano yun? What's that? What is this? Oh. It looks like a frog, but it's not a frog. It's a fish. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go back to the packs of birds. Iyon sila. They're making sounds, like creepy sounds. Nagtago siya guys. It's a purple crab. Yung clothes niya ay purple. Yan, nagtago na siya. Ay, nakita. Ayan guys, nasa malapit na tayo. At these packs of birds. See? Marami silang babies guys actually. Makikita mo yung mga olds at saka youngs. Kasali ito sa fish pan nila, okay, na pinapadry ito para lipatan ng adult na bangus later on, yung mga malapit na i-harvest. Dinadry siya para tubuan siya ng lumot, ganyan guys. Yan, kasi ang lumot na yan is malaki pa lang na itutulong sa bangus, okay, dahil kasama sa pagkain nila yan guys. Ayan sila. Look at that. nating lumapit doon. We'll see if I can manage to go nearby of them. Okay. Yes. Diba? Oh, yan na sila. Kahanap siya ng pagkain niya. Maybe shrimps or what. Hindi ako kikilos, hindi rin sila kikilos, guys. Pag hindi na ako lumapit, hindi na rin sila kikilos. So that's for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is your DJ Torpe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, touch the bell down below so you will be notified in our new videos. Thank you very much. God bless. Ayan guys, nasa malapit na